Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check your laptop configurations. That means processor, storage, and RAM and graphics card details. So it is very simple. Simply right click on your this PC or in older versions, my computer. Right click, then select properties. Okay, then you will get this window. In this window, you can easily identify the first page is system about, and it's about the storage. You can see here storage details and the graphics card and graphics card memory, and here is RAM and RAM installed RAMs. So and last is processor. So in this way, you can easily identify which configuration have your laptop. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.